Antwerp World Diamond Center unveils Gumball machines dispensing €5 lab-grown diamonds in Antwerp. So if you're wondering what type of diamond that you're going to get for €5, it's a 30 to a 33 pointer diamond, but really you can't legally call it by its carat weight of a 30 pointer or a 33 pointer because it's illegal in Belgium to use carat weight. That's specifically designed for natural earth mine diamonds. You must only describe it as grams. You cannot use carat weights because that's only designed for rare natural earth mine diamonds. So what is this forecasting to consumers? Well, if you do the maths, it's about 15 to 16.67 euros per carat. Okay, that's about what they're worth. So the article states that less than 0.6%, that's 3/5 of 1%, represents synthetic diamonds in Antwerp. So it's very, very low. Trading volumes. The article briefly shineth the light on the synthetic diamond, evil demon diamond dealers hustle, and that synthetic diamonds have depreciated in value by 95% in the last several years. So here we have an example. It has 0.06 grams because it's not a precious material. It's synthetic diamond. It can't be quoted in carats. Millimeter spread of 4.3 to 4.5 millimeters. It's about a 30 to 33 pointer, but it isn't. It's 0.06 grams because it can't be in carats.